Okay, Guy. So tell us about your wheels. What are they?
The wheels are Method Race wheels. They're not actual beadlocks, or I know I'd want actual beadlocks, but a little pricey for a street truck for having beadlocks for no reason. They're 20 by 9s, yeah, 20 by 9s, and I think they're positive 18 offset.
Yeah, they do stick out a little more.
I think they're positive 18.
Well, I guess your front's turned, but
yeah, you can kind of tell if you put an extra stock truck. You can really tell. But
yeah,
it's hard to tell. And the tires are Toyota Country
these AT3s, right? Didn't these just come out?
Yeah, they're not very old.
AT3s, yeah.
Because the AT2s have been out for a while, and they just released the 3s, which I like them. They look good. A little bit more aggressive looking than the 2s.
Matte bronze, right?
Yeah. I kind of wish they were gloss, not because of the look, just because it'd be a little bit easier to keep them clean. Because these are hard to keep clean. As you can tell, they're filthy right now.
Yeah, not really.
You can't really. It's not really showing up on camera.
Kind of a good picture though. Yeah, stock wheel and tire, but because of the offset, he rubs on his mud flaps a little bit. It scares me every time I'm in the vehicle, dude. Like, I always think something fell off your truck.
Side.
Yeah.
I think what it is,
it's like
right there. It's like in that spot. And that's all it hits. And it's only at a certain spot in the steering too. It's like,
yeah.
It's about,
not full lock, it's like,
it's about like
75% maybe?
I wouldn't even say that much, probably like 7/8 of the way. Like, you go full lock, it's gone.
It's weird. I definitely gave it a good stance too from the front. Like when he was following me the other day, you could see it. The wheel used to be like here, and now it's.
You can definitely tell when the tires turn now how much more it sticks out of the liner. Or the fender, or whatever the hell you want to call it.
Heck yeah. There you have it. Short video, but I kept telling you guys about the wheels, or I didn't tell you what they were, but I told you had something coming for his truck. So, but yeah, so there's the new wheels for the truck. Yep, he actually did order an exhaust, but it might not be here for like a couple months.
August.
So August, yeah.
End of August.
So that's great. All right, guys. So there you have it. There are the new wheels for the Silverado. Black and bronze, I think looks pretty good. Ryan's in love with them, and they definitely give the truck a lot better of a stance. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.